Hi there, and welcome to Howie's Automated Home. These two things here are temperature measurements that you put directly on your shower. Great if you have a child or a kid and you want to make sure that the temperature is just right. I always, of course, also recommend trying the water out because you should never trust the technology. They are quite accurate actually, and they look really nice. This is the version 1. This is the version 2. The version 2 has a temperature gauge and a stopwatch timer. There's one thing that you need to know when you install this is that these will steal some of the force of the water that runs through your pipes, so your shower will flow more slowly. There's also one other thing that I want to show you about this one, the version 2. It actually makes a lot of noise, and the version 2 steals way more of the energy when the water is flowing through it, so you will lose pressure in your shower. So let me try to show you the sound it makes. Alright, so this is the unit. I'm going to be quiet now and you can listen to the sound. I don't know if you can hear it correctly, but it does actually make a lot of sound. This is the temperature measurement. Blue here, it's when it's cold. You click on the side here, you see how long you've been showering. You can also reset that counter. This here is it turned green when it's the okay temperature. This one you have to tighten it good. This one here, you usually have to use a tool for this. This one you can tighten by hand. So the unit itself is pretty simple. You can move it around, you can flip this up and down. So let me show you the version 1. Oh yeah, you might want to hear the sound when I turn it off. Okay, ready? So that's the sound it makes. Alright, so this is the version 2, the version 1 that I have here. You can turn this up and down, and there's no button to click here. It's a quite simple setup, and you don't have to do anything, and the water temperature is also quite accurate. So there you go. That was the shower thermometer. I can highly recommend having one of them. If I were to choose, I'd recommend the version 1 because it doesn't steal as much power from the water flow, and it doesn't make a lot of noise as well either. Version 2, sorry, I just can't recommend that because it does steal a lot of power from the water flow, and it does make a little bit of noise. Price-wise, they're about the same. Other than that, quite simple, no batteries. I've had a couple of those and also given some of them away. The version 1, I think, is prone to actually break. I've had one of these break myself and I had to replace it. And I have had 2 friends that also have had these ones, and they broke after a while. So they'll work and then they'll just stop working and you need to replace the whole unit. But then again, it's not that much money, but on the other hand, if you want something for a long time, and maybe this is not the best choice for you. The version 2, I haven't tested it out for a long time yet, so it might be more durable. That's also why I've bought actually this version 2. Thank you for watching, and I hope it's informative.